Are you looking for a solution to holding open internal fire doors? Wedging open fire doors is illegal and, should a fire break out, allows smoke and flames to rapidly spread. The solution is simple. Install our Agrippa wire-free system of fire door holders and closers. The Agrippa products are battery powered, so there is no need to call out a professional electrician for installation. The Agrippa fire door holder can be installed quickly to improve airflow and accessibility, particularly in corridors. The device can be fitted at the top of the door when used with an overhead door closer to prevent the door becoming warped. It is also mounted behind the door, preventing accidental damage and giving a discreet appearance. The Agrippa fire door closer is used in place of a conventional overhead door closer to both hold the door open and close it when the fire alarm sounds. It is a swing-free device to comply with the building regulations approved document M for individual rooms. The closer provides the perfect solution to reduce feelings of isolation and improve accessibility. Both devices are acoustically activated and listen and learn the sound of your specific fire alarm, reducing false activations and closing in the event of a fire. Both products are available in a variety of finishes suitable for all types of installations.